Today was supposed to be a massive moment at Camp Nou. Everything was perfectly lined up. But what actually happened in the end? Honestly, nobody saw this coming. Let's break it down. Earlier today, around 10 a.m., we finally hit a key milestone. A major pillar was lifted into position, a crucial step in forming the ring structure, something fans have been waiting for a long time. Not long after that, another big update followed. A radial beam was successfully installed on the north side. That meant progress was happening from multiple directions at once, a very positive sign. Everything was building toward one moment, the big box lift. This massive structure, over 9 meters long, was fully ready. Slings tightened, crane locked in, workers positioned above. The tension was real. It felt like the lift could happen any second, but then time kept passing. 10 minutes, 20 minutes, almost 40. Everyone was ready, and suddenly it stopped. The crane started loosening the cables. The lift was canceled, completely unexpected. Right now, the exact reason isn't confirmed. It could be a technical check, a scheduling change, or a last-minute adjustment. But one thing is clear, today's main event didn't happen. Still, not everything slowed down. On the north side, progress has been very impressive. Ceramic panel installation is moving fast, especially in the upper sections. From a distance, you can already see how much the stadium is transforming. Inside, work is also ongoing. Welding, structural assembly, preparation for the next stages. And here's the important update. The lift is now expected tomorrow. So yes, today ended in disappointment, but tomorrow could be huge. Make sure you're subscribed, because if that box goes up, you won't want to miss it. What do you think? Will tomorrow finally be the day? See you in the next update.